Yeah, this O'Shea Land is coming to you again to show you another little knife I ran across that was in my haul. This thing is cool. It's called a great neck. Oh, I just gave away part of the secret. And to say the way you open it. Now, I'm not good with opening knives, people, so I told y'all in one of my other videos. This little thing right here, you just lift it, and then you pull the blade. Let me zoom out a little bit so y'all can see. And then you just pull the blade out. That's a cool little knife, cool. All right, let me close this back up and continue taking pictures. No, I'm about, Pat. I'm through with taking pictures for tonight. All right, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and drop me some comments down there. Thank you. Let me know what you think.